Tired of the scheduling chaos and endless back and forths to set up a simple Zoom meeting? Let's dive into how to seamlessly integrate Calendly with Zoom, automating your meeting scheduling and link creation in just a few simple steps. First, head over to your Calendly dashboard. Find the Integrations option usually located in the upper right corner under your profile or in the Settings menu. Now, scroll through the list of available integrations until you spot Zoom. Click on the Zoom icon to begin the connection process. You'll be prompted to authorize Calendly to access your Zoom account. Click Authorize to grant the necessary permissions. If you are not logged in, it may ask you to log in with your Zoom credentials. Once authorized, your Zoom account is now linked to Calendly. This means whenever someone books a meeting with you through Calendly, a unique Zoom meeting link will automatically be generated and sent to both you and your attendee. Next, you need to make sure this is enabled on your events. Go to Event Types and click the event that you want to have a Zoom meeting. Under the What Event is this setting, find the Location option. Click Zoom. And that's it. Now, you can book any event and the Zoom link will automatically be added.